Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Spotify 403 forbidden problem. First of all, we need to update our browser. To do that, click on this three dot, settings, click on about Chrome and make sure to update your browser from here, and then click on privacy and security, click on cookies and other site data. Scroll down, click on see all site data and permissions, search here Spotify. Once you get Spotify here, click on this delete icon, click on clear, and now you will need to relog in into your Spotify account and then check the problem if solved or not. And then we need to use a VPN to change our location. To do that, open a new tab and type here Chrome Web Store. Search for VPN and add any VPN from here. Once you added the VPN, click on the VPN icon and you have to connect your VPN from here and then go to your Spotify and check the problem if solved or not. And the last solution is use a different browser. If you're using Spotify in Chrome, then use Firefox or Opera instead of Chrome. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.